Vishwanath comment on 44. Vishwanath now is fully in his Siddhaswarup, his Vinod Vallabhi Manjari. He's entered a lila by the strength of his prem. Premanjana Charita Bhakti Vilochanena. His prem-filled heart and eyes have opened the entire pastimes to him. He's sitting on the banks of Shamakund at Manasapavan Ghat. And from that vantage point and that entry point, he transcends all space and time. And on the wings of his Siddhadeha, flies into the Leela and assumes his Nitya Seva there and his position amongst all the Nitya Siddha Manjaris and Sakhis and Krishna, and hears everything and sees everything and feels everything and comes back to the Sadhaka plane as Vishnu Chakravarti Thakur and writes down what he's heard, what he saw, what he felt, what it all means. We are greatly blessed and fortunate to have such exalted acharyas as our well-wishers and guides. So he says, verse 44, Upagiyamanat Udgayan means Radharani, now that she's there, as Radharani is known as Gandharvika. She's the greatest dancer and the greatest singer. And no one taught her the art of dancing, and no one taught her the art of singing. It's self-manifest, swaprakat. Well, she teaches everyone else. So her name is Gandharvika. And other meanings are there also, very rasic meanings of the name Gandharvika. So now she's come. So what is the Ras Mandala? It's a group dance. You can look, Ras Mandala means a group of men and women dance together holding hands in a circle. It's called the Ras Mandala. So there's dancing, singing and dancing. So there's no Ras to dance without Radharani. So now Radharani has come. There's no movement. It's a standoff. It's a conflict. Draw the line. LOC. Line of control. Gopis on this side, Krishna's on this side. Go home. No. Go home. No. It's a standoff. The gopis are like this. We're not going. And Krishna's like this. You're going. Oh yeah. So no one's moving anywhere. Just little toes going on the ground, left toe. Only movement is the movement of their emotions, slightly stirring their bodies. Their chests are heaving and their lungs are moving and they're perspiring and heavily breathing, and all that hot, heavy breathing is drying out their lipstick and everything. The gopis. But then when Radharani comes, as indicated in verse 43 with the word Sametabhir, by Sanatana Goswami, then it all begins. She's the instigator. She's the exciting factor. It's called the Udipan. She herself is a Vibhav Prem Vishai, and the Udipan is the full moon and the camphor soft sands and Krishna's smile and all these things. But when she comes, she herself is a personification of excitement, a personification of incitement, and instigating everything, because everything orbits around Radharani. Everything moves around Radharani. Radharani is the sun of Krishna's galaxy. So everything's moving around the sun. So Krishna and all of Vrindavan moves around Radharani. So once Radharani came, then what starts? Singing and moving. So they start moving. That's why it says here, Vyacharan. Upagiyamanad Vyacharan. Vyacharan.